Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your BMO Harris Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser in the default search engine. Then search BMO Harris Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.bmoharris.com. It will then take you to the official website of BMO Harris Bank. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your user ID, then enter your password. To confirm your password, you can click to Show. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to Sign In. Then you should be able to access your BMO online account. To make login easier, you can click to Remember Me, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you have forgot your user ID, you can get help by clicking to Forgot User ID. And if you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. And if you are new to BMO, you can register a new account by clicking to Register. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.